Hello guys, today in this video I'm going to tell you how to cancel your Froya Organics subscription. So in this video I'm going to tell you two methods by which you can cancel your subscription very easily. Okay, so the first method is very easy and the second one is little bit hard for you. Okay, so the first method, you need to visit on the official website, that is like froyaorganics.com, and once you are on the official website you just need to simply scroll down. At the very bottom side there is a option manage subscription in the footer section. Okay, so you can see there are lots of options. You can select manage subscription option. Once you tap on this option, you just need to simply enter your email id, which is your registered email id. You need to enter your email id and you need to click send subscription login link. Okay, and once you enter on this button, you need to open your email, and once you get the email subscription link, you need to click on the link, and once you click on the link you will be on the dashboard of your subscription. You can cancel your subscription very easily. Okay, if you will not get any kind of email, you can check your spam folder also. Okay, if still you will not get, if you are not getting any kind of email from their side, it means your subscription is very hard to cancel. In this case what you have to do, there is only one last option. You need to call your credit card provider, or you need to call your card provider, and once you connected you need to make a request like you would like to cancel your unwanted subscriptions, and they will guide you how many subscriptions you have, or if they are possible they can cancel your subscription, or what you can do, you can cancel your credit card completely and you can get a new one, and once you get new card your all the old subscriptions will ended and they are not going to charge on your account if you get new credit card. Okay, so this is the last option. So you can try these two methods by which you can cancel your subscription. Now if you have any questions you can make a comment, I will reply you very soon, and thanks for watching this video. Bye bye, take care.